interned with Asha Akanksha Foundation for a duration of 3 months. In this duration, I've learned a lot of new skills like teamwork, leadership, and etc. Under the guidance of Rachita ma'am, we were able to get hands-on practical experience, and other tasks involved are online and offline campaigning. I'm truly grateful for this opportunity because it has led to an overall development in my personality.
Hello, I'm Krishna from Lady Shriram College for Women. I'm studying statistics honors there. So I have completed 3 months internship in Asha Akansha Foundation. It was a great experience there. I have discovered Canva so nicely and have learned how to make videos and merge them and add music and so many things. People are there. People they are so so cooperative. It was a nice and amazing experience being there. Thank you.
Hi, so I worked with Asha Akanksha Foundation for a little over 3 months, and I had a very wide learning experience. I think the most important learning experience for me was that there was a very broad area of topics and issues that were covered. So I was able to learn about a number of things and a variety of issues. However, I felt that there were a few things that were that I wish I could have, learned better of. Firstly, the very idea that there was such a broad set of issues and plethora of issues that were discussed, which meant that I could not specialize in any of those. So I felt like there was a lot of first layer information of all of them, but I could not go in depth of any of them. But overall, it was a nice learning experience, and it was a good exposure, and there was a variety of work to do, so that gave me exposure in not just different issues but also different ways that an NGO functions.
Hello everyone, so it has been really great to be a part of this internship that is with AAF Foundations. Now it has been around 4 months that I am associated with this company, where my main task was of digital marketing and content writing. So this company has helped me to come face to face with the real life challenges that people do face through conducting various field trips and field camps to various places like Satya, Niketan, or Lajpat Nagar, Keshavpuram, and all that slums and bastis where people really fight for living their lives. So it has been really a great experience and exposure when I have a round of conversation with all those people who are living over there and how they find simple and sober solutions to the problems they face. So whenever I conducted surveys over there, I really feel blessed enough that God has blessed me and each and every one who is listening to this video with a lot many materialistic things and platforms and opportunities, but there are still people who crave for it. So whenever I was given a social issue or a topic for which I needed to draw a poster or a video, then I dig myself deep into the topic and then researched about it, what and all problems that issue is facing, and what are the simple solutions that I can find for solving those problems and obstacles that people really face. So it has been indeed a fun learning experience. Along with it, the interns with which I worked through were really awesome. It has developed the leadership skills and the team spirit through which we worked. So it has been really a great and enriching experience. They taught me a lot many things. So I would also request all those who are listening to the video just to have that, if they get a chance to work with this organization, that do go for it, because it's worth your time and worth your skills. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Norin Shai, second year philosophy department student. I have been working with Asha Akansha Foundation for 1 month 15 days. In the little time that I have spent here, I gained a lot of experience and knowledge of how an NGO works. I was talking and working with people from different spheres and ages, knowing their problem and difficulties they encounter in their day-to-day life. In the awareness camps that we used to conduct, I met some really wonderful people who inspired me to push my limits. They taught me to put society first and myself later. Asha Akansha Foundation works to promote social and political change on a broad scale. I find a lot of happiness doing my bit for the society. It was a great experience to intern with such an organization. Thank you.